Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayan ang ating update para sa aking smart refrigerator. Since hindi ko napakita last time kung ano yung nasa baba sa freezer. But anyway, dito ulit tayo. Ang dami kasi nagsasabi sa akin na wala daw akong makain. Sa Facebook, na-bash ang lola nyo. Kawawa naman daw ako na ubusan ng pagkain sa buffet. Baka wala daw ako nakakain sa bahay. But anyway. So, ayan. Update. Since mahilig talaga kami sa fruits. Marami tayo ngayon. So, mag-start tayo dito sa taas. Oops. I forgot yung cover nito. But anyway. So, we have eggs. And eggnog that I don't drink. Si Jaime ang umiinom yan. May milk tayo at saka sa likod yung creamer. Tignan natin ungkatin sa loob kasi mabigat ang milk. But anyway, I have infused water with cucumber, lemons, oranges, what else? Apples. Tapos ano pa ba? Ito pomegranate. Ayan. And then we have another there. Juice. Cranberry juice. And then here, water, bottled water, and sparkling water. Tapos here, ito yung aking paprika na hindi na po kasya dito, kaya dito ko na siya nilagay. Sa likod niyan, meron kaming take out na hindi pa nakakain. So, we have different kinds of berries. At overripe na yata to. Ito, this, and then we have strawberries, we have fresh cranberries, and then we have squeezed oranges. Ayan. And then we have achara. And then we have fresh mushrooms kasi hindi na siya kasya dito sa baba. So we have ramen na dapat kakainin ng husband ko ngayong gabi. Hindi na tuloy. And then we have cherry tomatoes. And then we have hot pepper paste. Korean. So next is here. So we have different flavors of vitamin water. Ayan. Meron pa siya doon ayun sa likod, iba pang flavor. And then next is ang ating Arizona. Different flavors din. We have punch, we have mango. Ayan, watermelon. Don't mind the sounds. So, meron tayong Dos Equis beer. We have pineapple juice. We have coconut water that I drink. He doesn't drink. And then we have different kinds of frappuccino. There. As you can see. So, next, these are veggies. We have broccoli, we have sliced lemon and orange, and then we have grapes, different kinds of tomatoes, and then here we have avocado, radish, organic carrots there, and we have cauliflower, and then we have cabbage, and then more carrots. So next, this is my favorite sa aking bread, and we have different kinds of cheeses there. Nakabox pa na nasa likod yung aming what's this, butter. Meron pa pala akong margarine nandun sa pinakadulo kasi sobrang laki ng lalagyan niya. But anyway, dito tayo. So we have bacon, we have Canadian bacon, and then this one sa Sam's yata to. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. So anyway, ito favorite ng asawa ko. Ako yung spicy ang gusto ko. So next, we have dips here. Mine. And then syempre sa kanya. So we have different kinds of steak sauce. And then we have mustard. And then this grape jelly. And then strawberry syrup, that's his. And then this is the sambal sauce that I need to throw away. I forgot about this. I need to make a new one. And then we have garlic, and then we have chili garlic sauce, and then ito, heavy whipped cream. And then here we have masala, and then sesame dressing. We have apple dressing for the tonkatsu, and then we have parmesan, and then for the beauty. Tapos meron tayong kikoman, and then we have strawberry jelly, and then ranch, and then itong ano, yan. O diba, mumurahin. Tapos another ranch, and then Italian. We have half and half here. And then mustard, ketchup, and then the wine na binuksan namin the last time. And then we have here mayo. Olive mayo to ha. Olive oil mayo. So, meron pa tayo dito. What's this? Jalapeno. Yeah. And then pesto. So, close na natin, guys. Okay. So, next, sa freezer naman tayo. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa lumpia na vegetables. Tapos, meron tayong magnum na ito na lang natira. Tapos, ito yung fruit salad na hindi nakain. And then, we have here, ayan, cherry Garcia, strawberry, and then dulce de leche, and then another, what's this? Cherry Garcia. I don't eat this. Sa kanya, meron tayong sneakers doon. Itong bread na to, kasi hindi ko naman siya naubos, so nilagay ko dyan. Pag meron akong different kinds of cheeses, yan ang kinakain ko pag nag-wine. And then waffle. So dito may ano yata dyan sa ilalim, jalapeno na binili ko kanina. So here meron tayong shrimp ring, and then we have from Trader Joe's na chicken gyoza pot stickers, chicken and vegetable dumplings. And then sa ilalim we have that popcorn shrimp, and then clam strips, more waffle, and then we have here tuna. This is salmon steak. We have extra large shrimp, and then another gyoza from Trader Joe's, 5 shrimp gyoza. And then we have ribs, we have ground pork, and then we have here baby milk fish marinade, and then the cassava that I made the last time na gusto ko pang kainin. So yung tira nilagay ko sa freezer, so maiinit ko siya anytime I want. So guys, ayun lang po ang ating what's inside my smart refrigerator. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. Sorry I can't show my face kasi wala lang. Bye.